My name is Gabriel Van Ingen and I'm the Senior Lecturer and the Course Leader on BA Hons Commercial Photography at Arts University Plymouth. Our commercial photography course explores the potential of contemporary editorial, lifestyle and fashion photography in the studio and on location. We encourage our students to push the boundaries of commercial practice and engage with current and emerging technologies and techniques, including still image, moving images, print and digital platforms. Our students specialise in advanced creative and technical skills, analogue and digital capture, post-production techniques and explore the new possibilities of contemporary commercial photography. To prepare you for entering the creative industries and making an impact with your work, you will pitch ideas, work on collaborative briefs, forge partnerships, build your portfolio and professional profile and respond to client-led briefs. You'll have opportunities to work on live briefs with key industry organisations like Getty Images and ProDirect Sports. You'll visit commercial studios. You'll also collaborate with students from across the university on projects and in workshops, helping you to develop into an accomplished photographer, picture editor, digital retoucher or stylist. You will require a broad range of key entrepreneurial skills in marketing, self-promotion, brand identity and business development, enabling you to develop a financially sustainable practice. Our students get lots of hands-on experience, including international study options worldwide and our connections to visit and exhibit at prestigious events such as Paris Photo, Milan Fashion Week and of course our Photography Symposium. Our students have unlimited access to industry standard studios, over 6,000 pieces of digital and production equipment, post-production suites and more. With an infinity code for seamless backdrops and workshops led by professionals such like Harry Borden, Sukadanda, who have photographed people including Rihanna, Richard Branson and Karen Gillan. The tools for finding your creative voice are right here. Plymouth is an artistically vibrant city. It's a haven for aspiring creatives. The city is a culturally rich community that nurtures personal and professional growth in a safe and affordable environment. It has a dynamic cultural scene including museums, galleries, shopping and indie cafes, as well as a stunning natural landscape. Plymouth seamlessly combines urban living with outdoor adventures. From easy and fast connections to major cities such as Bristol and London, to tranquil seaside scenery, it's all within walking distance of the Arts University Plymouth. Join us at Arts University Plymouth and transform your passion for art into a thriving career. Unleash your creative potential, dive into limitless possibilities and become part of a vibrant community shaping the future of contemporary art. To find out more about our photography course, follow the link in the description and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.